I really want to do this. This is so funny, Mom. Goes down, down, down,
Yeah, there's a
down.
lot of layers, isn't there?
Yeah, there is.
Those are fractions.
What are fractions?
Fractions are parts of a whole. What are all these parts making? Can you see?
Triangles. I mean, a circle.
It makes a circle. How many parts are making a circle? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. 10 parts in that circle. It looks like a piece of pizza. So if we had 10 people for dinner, they could each have a piece of pizza.
Can you make lots of pizzas?
You can with this thing.
That's a silver pizza.
Silver pizza. How many pieces are in the silver pizza?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9? Oh, only 9 people could come for dinner that night.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait, are you sure? Let's double
Yeah.
check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. That would be a good pizza for 8 people. What's next?
1 pizza, 2 pizza, 3 pizza, 4 pizza, 5
Wait.
Pizza.
1, 2, 3,
4
4. Okay.
5 6. There's 6.
That's 6.
7.
7.
Only 7 people could come to dinner.
Maybe that's a blueberry pizza? What do you think?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. 6 people for that pizza.
Yeah, 6 people. This is getting closer and closer.
Oh, I wonder what's at the bottom. I wonder if dessert's at the bottom. What do you think?
Six pizzas, Emma, for dinner.
Are you sure?
Yes.
6 pizzas? I thought the last one was 6.
One,
You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pizza. 6 pieces in that pizza.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 pizzas.
5? Oh, that's the perfect pizza for our family.
5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pizzas
4 pizzas.
for dinner.
4.
1 pizza. 2 pizza. 3 pizza. 4 pizza. 4 pizzas for dinner. What? This is 1, 2, 3 pizzas for dinner.
Oh, that would be good for you and your brothers.
2 pizza. 3 pizza.
3 pizza.
Oh, they're running out of
They're
pizzas.
running out of pizzas. Oh my goodness.
Now there's 2 pizzas.
Oh, 2 pizzas? Oh, that's just for you and me. That would be a very hungry you to eat half the pizza. Look at that. You're going to eat half the pizza. Oh my goodness. Wait, put it together. 2 very hungry people. Wow. Half the pizza. That's a lot of pizza.
And 1.
1 just for you? Are you
1 pizza.
Are you that
for
hungry?
dinner.
Are you that hungry?
No, that's 1 pizza. That's 1 visitor.
A visitor is that hungry? Well, how many pizzas?
Whoa!
Can you count how many pizzas?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? We have a lot of pizzas.
We do have a lot of pizzas. Excellent. What's next?
Eat it.
Eat it? Oh, blueberry pizza. Mmm. Can I put some syrup on that?
Pretend it's black syrup.
Ooh.
If you want the red pizza, that's gonna be hot pizza. Red is hot.
Hot. Very hot. Very hot.
Don't eat it. But the yellow is super bright.
The yellow's super bright. Ah! I need to cover my eyes. It's so bright. Almost done.
You already did the hard pizza. Oh. What are you doing?
I'm watching.
Okay.
I want to snuggle.
But if you be up here, the shining one can get you out.
Okay, cover my eyes.
Okay, I'll cover your eyes. Put that on. Done.
Done.
This on. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a little bit bright, but it's okay for your eyes.
Okay. Excellent.
Now let's put this away.